Hi friends, welcome back. I am Cheryl. Are you a person who loves night drive or make frequent night travels? Is the stock headlights of your car fading off the beauty of your night drives or making your night journey a nightmare? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can bring back the beauty in your night drives or have a confident night journey by installing auxiliary lights. What is an auxiliary light? Auxiliary driving or fog lights are those types of lights used for improving the visibility during nighttime drive or during inclement weather condition. The very next question will be, are these lights legal? As we all know, the auxiliary lights are meant for off-roading. That means they are not meant for city drives or city limits. By traffic rules, you are allowed to have them as long as they are kept covered and off while you are in city limits. I shall show you a small comparison video that will help you differentiate the visibility with and without auxiliary lights. Now I shall switch on the stock headlights. These are the 55 watt bulb. These are the normal lights provided by the company, by the showroom people. So I'll just show you how it looks like. This is the low beam and this is the high beam. If you are a person who does normal city driving, then this light will be more sufficient. Whereas if you are a person who does regular night travels or night journeys, then this light won't be that sufficient on the highways, because these lights are just the normal stock lights and this light will not be that powerful. For example, when there is an oncoming vehicle, that vehicle's light will overcome this light or it will blind us, so that we will not be able to see the road properly. That too, especially on highways when you are on pretty higher speed, this light won't be sufficient for us to judge the unknown roads, and we will not be able to see what all objects are there on the roads. For example, potholes, bump, or if there is any objects or if there is any animal crossing and all, it will be very difficult for us to judge from a longer distance. Next, I will show you how an auxiliary light performs. These are the DRLs, not the headlights. They are just the driving lights or the DRLs, the LED. You can see the light produced by them. The area is completely dark. Now I shall switch on the auxiliary light. My headlights are still off, only the auxiliary light is on. You can see how well the area is lit. You can see the pillar which is around 100 feet away very clearly. To that extent the light is being thrown. You can see it's very clearly lit. These are just my auxiliary lights. My headlights are still switched off. This is a close-up. You can see the lights are off. It's only the DRLs and my fog lights are on. And this is the light produced only by the DRLs. So if you're switching on the headlights, the area will be still brightly lit. This is the visibility by switching on the DRLs. I shall show you one more. The area is completely dark. Now I shall switch on the DRLs, then my auxiliary light. My headlights are still switched off, yeah. This is the light produced by the DRLs alone. You can see how clearly the area is lit. If I am switching on my headlights, it will be still more brightly lit. With this light, we will be able to drive on any unknown roads at night with more confidence, because since the area is dark, highly lit, we will be able to drive well. Even on little higher speed, even during rainy season or during fog time, the visibility will not be disturbed. Since we are able to see distance which are a little far away very clearly, though we are on pretty speed, we will be able to have a control on the vehicle. This is how it looks like, with only the DRLs switched on and the headlights are switched off. This was a simple video on the auxiliary lights. Hope you liked my video. Do like, share, subscribe and support my channel for more informative videos on technologies. Thank you.